Are you looking for the best reciprocating saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best reciprocating saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bosch Bare Tool CRS 180B Reciprocating Saw, representing the well-known Bosch company. This ultimate performer is a top-rated reciprocating saw in its class in terms of power-to-weight ratio. Why? Well, firstly because it uses an electronic motor protection for better performance and longer lifetime. That is achieved by saving the battery from overload, overheating, and deep discharge. Next, their exclusive lockjaw blade holder design allows the operator to change the blade one-handedly. This allows a fast changing of the blade even if it's hot after use. You can attach the blades upside down, which makes it possible to do stiff floor cuts. As for cutting ability, having a long 1-1 divided by 8 inches stroke removes more material. This powerful tool can cut almost anything tough with its toothed blade. The finer the tooth, the roughest cut it can perform. Depending on the requirement, different length blade is there to provide conclusive support. A 2-stage speed selector option is there on the top of the tool. You can easily access it and change even wearing gloves. Furthermore, with the variable speed trigger, you can operate comfortably to achieve a precise cut with just the right amount of power. A soft grip on the handle makes it rigid and steady, reducing kickback. Overall, the ergonomic design makes the holding of the tool secured. The whole package is designed to go anywhere and perform. Keep in mind that the foot at the front is not movable. That reduces the chance of working with a shorter length blade, but it can be tilted, fulfilling any angle cuts. Up next in the 4th place is the Makita XR J5T Cordless Recipro Saw Kit. This one belongs to the ever-increasing 18V Makita power tool family, upholding the manufacturer's reputation. This brushless cordless reciprocating saw makes a strong claim in the playing field with other competitors, and it delivers, like many other reciprocating saws. It also has a 2-stage stroke speed with large 2-finger control, and the range of low and high speed is significant. It's certainly a versatile choice for almost any kind of demolishing work. Makita's specially designed refined crank mechanism system makes a notable reduction of the blade deflection. Tool-less blade change is also available, with a 1-1 divided by 4 inches stroke. It is powerful enough to remove materials quickly, especially the electronically controlled motor system synchronizes itself with the working load, which provides just a sufficient amount of power varying with the load condition. In a nutshell, that saves power of the battery. With all of these features, it also has Makita's Star Protection computer control integrated into it. This control synchronizes between the tool and the battery to reduce overloading, overheating, and over-discharging. Another feature to love among features of this tool is the well-placed LED light. Pre-glow and afterglow of the LED light illuminate the work area to ensure productivity and safety. The electric brake is there to stop the reciprocating blade in time. In terms of ease of use, it scores high. A retractable tool hook makes it easy to store after use. The ergonomic design of this tool makes it rigid on the operator's hands, and a soft rubberized grip reduces user fatigue. The 3rd product on our list is the Milwaukee 6538-21 15.0 amp Super Sawzall Reciprocating Saw. If you are looking for a synonym for a good reciprocating saw, Milwaukee's Sawzall could be the one. Milwaukee invented this saw back in 1951. Since then, they remain one of the pathfinders of the industry. Still, they produce some of the best reciprocating saws. When Milwaukee is calling it super, it's not only a play of words. Having a 15-amp motor, it's a device capable of providing the power you need. The higher the amp, the more juice it provides to the rotating system. Constant power technology will provide continuous power, allowing you to cut through anything in front of you. A variable speed control trigger is associated with speed dial control. This easy-to-control system will help you to choose and play, however it suits you. Tool-less quick lock blade change system with twist collar allows you to change the blade quickly, and the blades can be set upside down too. Being heavier than others is a step back for this tool, but this is due to a counterbalanced mechanism introduced to provide low vibration and fatigue-less cutting experience. And also, as it is a corded one, the accessibility will not be the same everywhere. Then we have Milwaukee's patented gear protection clutch that increases tool life by providing safety from sudden blade lock situation. A top-class industrial-grade overload protection system is integrated too. Orbital action is one of the best features of this Herculean tool. You can adjust the amount of oscillation to remove more material, just by a plastic lever. You can change the front shoe length for a precise depth of cut. Second on our list is the DEWALT 20V MAX XR Reciprocating Saw, another competitor from DEWALT. With its 20V MAX XR technology, this tool will offer you continuous support for a long time. With the brushless motor cutting, anything will not make any difference. The 4-position clamp system allows it to cut in any direction. Flush cutting and quick cutting is just a step away. Keyless blade change will help you to do the cuts even quicker with the proper blade. It is designed to be a compact one, considering the weight. It will outclass other competitors. You can carry it and perform any stiff angle cuts. Even it will fit in between struts. Floor cuts with minimal clearance will not be a thing to consider. LED light is mounted on the top of the tool. You will be able to cut in any light condition because of it. One minus point is that the shoe at the front is fixed in length, but it's a pivoting one, so there will be no issues with the depth of cut and rigidity. As for the handling of the tool, an anti-slip comfort grip makes it steady on your hand. That being said, the lack of an anti-vibration mechanism will result in hand fatigue quickly. To counter this problem, you can save power and have a precise cut with the variable speed trigger in the control arm, as you have to buy the battery separately. The whole package cost will increase if you already own a DEWALT 20V battery. It will save you a chunk of money. This battery system will provide maximum initial battery voltage without any load. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch Pocket Reciprocating Saw Kit. Bosch power tools offer performance and reliability. Its compact design is intended for light works around you, to reach any tight spaces. This mini reciprocating saw is a handy tool. As a gift, the whole package contains Bosch's well-reputed 12V battery and quick charger. The ergonomic design of this tool will give you the freedom for single-handed cuts along with overhead use. Small grip and size allow it to access every tight corner of your working area. Then, you have a LED light to make the working area illuminated in any situation. As a safety measure, a fast motor brake system is there. Furthermore, the front of the tool is rubber wrapped. That will save the tool from any contamination like water and dust for a longer tool life and run time. It has an electronic cell protection system, an overall protection system against overheating and overloading, along with under-voltage protection. Makes it more capable of handling heavy jobs. Bosch's battery and charger pack has LED indicators. You will be able to know the charging status and power level while working, but it is not suited for long jobs that need hours to finish. You may need more than one battery for that or charge it over and over. Overall, with the battery and compact bumper design for reducing vibration, this tool will take place at the top of its class considering the budget. This robust tool also comes with a proper carrying pack and multiple blades that make it ready to go without spending anything more. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.